In this video, I'll show you how to animate images with Kling AI and turn a static picture into a dynamic AI video. First, open Kling AI and sign in to your account. From the main dashboard, go to the video generation section and choose the image to video option. Now upload the image you want to animate. Try to use a clear, high-quality image with a sharp subject and a suitable background. A clean image usually gives the AI a better starting point. After uploading the image, focus on writing a motion prompt. You don't need to describe everything that is already visible in the image. Instead, tell Kling AI what should move and how you want the movement to look. For example, if your image shows a person standing in a forest, you could write, "The person slowly looks around while the leaves gently move in the wind. Sunlight passes through the trees." And the camera smoothly moves closer. You can also describe small environmental movements, such as flowing water, moving clouds, blowing hair, waving clothes, or gentle camera motion. These details can make a static image feel much more alive. Next, review the available settings and start generating the animation. When the video is ready, preview it carefully. Check whether the subject remains consistent and whether the movement looks natural. Also look at the face, hands, background, and camera movement. If the animation doesn't look right, modify the motion prompt and generate another version. Try changing only 1 or 2 instructions at a time so you can understand what improves the result. For better animations, avoid requesting too many complex movements in one prompt.